Welcome to Cyber Theo. If you're a music lover searching for the best wireless earplugs to elevate your listening experience, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the top 3 wireless earplugs specifically designed for high-quality music playback in 2024. I'll take you through their standout features, pros, and cons, so you can find the perfect pair to suit your needs. Let's get started. Earplug 1, Sony WF-1000XM4. Overview. The Sony WF-1000XM4 is widely regarded as one of the best wireless earplugs for music lovers, thanks to its superb sound quality and top-notch noise cancellation. Key features. Sound quality. Equipped with a new integrated processor, these earplugs deliver rich, immersive audio with deep bass and clear mids and highs. Active noise cancellation. Sony's advanced noise-canceling technology ensures that you can enjoy your music without distractions from ambient noise. Battery life. Up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge, with an additional 16 hours provided by the charging case. Pros. Exceptional sound quality with a wide soundstage and detailed audio. Effective noise cancellation for uninterrupted listening. Comfortable fit with customizable ear tips for secure wear. Cons. Premium price point, reflecting its high-end features. The charging case is slightly bulkier than some competitors. Earplug 2, Apple AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. Overview. The Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen is a favorite among iOS users, offering excellent sound quality and seamless integration with Apple devices. Key features. Sound quality. The custom-built high-excursion, low-distortion driver delivers powerful bass and crisp high-frequency sound, making it perfect for a variety of music genres. Noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation adapts to the shape of your ear for a truly immersive listening experience. Transparency mode allows you to hear and interact with the world around you while still enjoying your music. Pros. Superior integration with Apple devices, including Siri voice control. Compact and lightweight design for comfortable all-day wear. High-quality sound with well-balanced audio across all frequencies. Cons. Battery life is decent but not as long as some other models, up to 6 hours with ANC on. More expensive, particularly for non-iOS users who may not benefit from all features. Earplug 3, Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2. Overview. Known for their industry-leading noise cancellation and rich sound quality, the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 are a top pick for audiophiles. Key features. Sound quality. Bose's acoustic architecture brings your music to life with rich, balanced sound, featuring deep lows and clear highs. Noise cancellation. Bose's advanced noise-canceling technology offers some of the best noise reduction in the market, perfect for immersing yourself in music. Fit and comfort. The Stay Here Max tips ensure a secure and comfortable fit, even during extended listening sessions. Pros. Exceptional noise cancellation that adapts to your environment. Balanced sound with natural bass and clear vocals. Comfortable fit with multiple ear tip sizes for a customized experience. Cons. Larger earbuds may not be as comfortable for those with smaller ears. Higher price reflects the premium quality and features. Comparison and recommendation. Best overall sound quality. The Sony WF-1000XM4 takes the lead with its impressive soundstage and detailed audio performance. Best for Apple users, the Apple AirPods Pro, 2nd generation, is ideal for those heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem, offering seamless integration and great sound. Best noise cancellation, the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 excel in noise cancellation, making them perfect for music lovers who need to block out the world around them. That wraps up our guide on the top 3 wireless earplugs for music in 2024. Whether you prioritize sound quality, noise cancellation, or integration with your devices, there's an option here for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo. Check my links below for more content.